Hello students, standard 6. In maths today we are going to start the revision of chapter number 12, ratio and proportion. We know that when two quantities are compared by division, then we know that it is known as a ratio. Then we can say that the one quantity is how many times the other quantity. And when we find the ratio, then it is very important that the unit of both the quantities must be equal. If it is regarding to the same physical value and the different units are there, we must units make the difference, make the same units, and then we have to find the ratio. And if the quantities are totally different, like one is for the weight, the other is for height, then we cannot compare them at all. We cannot find the ratio. So let us take some blanks first and then examples related to it. First one, 20 is dash times 4. Now we know that then we have to find the ratio of 20 is to 4. You know that it is 5. 5 times 4. So simply we can write down answer that it is 5 times 4. Second, 36 is blank times 9. So now what is the ratio of 36 and 9? 9 4s are 36. So 4 means it is 4 times 9. Third blank. The ratio of 8 to 12 in the simplest form is blank. So now we will show the method here. 8 to 12 means 8 is to 12, which we write down as 8 upon 12. 2 4s are 8, 3 4s are 12. So when we cancel it, so the simplest form is 2 is to 3. So to convert it into the simplest form, we have to find the factors and cancel the common factors of both numerator and denominator. Fourth, the ratio of 15 kilogram to 20 kilogram in the simplest form is so now 15 kilogram is to 20 kilogram is 15 upon 20. 3 5s are 15 and 4 5s are 20. It means that the simplest form is 3 is to 4. And one more thing to remember, that ratio is only a number. And then we don't write any units with it. Here the ratio of 15 kilogram and 20 kilogram, but in the answer we don't write down 3:4 kilogram. There is no unit. It is just simply a number like the other numbers of fractions, etc. Next, the number 2, 5, 4 blank are in proportion. So now, very simple method is that we can take 2, 5, 4 and x are in proportion. We know that the product of extreme terms is equal to product of middle terms. So extreme terms are 2 and x, so 2 multiplied by x is equal to 5 multiplied by 4. So x is equal to 5 multiplied by 4 divided by 2. So x is equal to 10. Or you can do verbally also. Here 5 4s are 20, middle terms. So what should be multiplied with 2 to get 20? 2 10s are 20. So directly also, if you are very fast in mathematics, multiplication especially, then you can directly also do the required calculations. Sixth one, 6:7 is in proportion with 18:, blank. Here also we can do the same thing, that 6:7 18:x. So 6s is equal to 7 into 18. So x is equal to 7 into 18 by 6. So 7 3s are 21. So the required answer is 21. 7. Two quantities can be compared only if they are expressed in the same blank. I told you in the beginning that when we compare the two quantities, then they can be expressed in the same unit. So if they are expressed only in the same unit, we can compare them, otherwise we cannot. So the answer is unit. Next, the simplest form of (18/30) is blank. So now 18/30, 6 3s are 18, 10 3s are 30. But now 6 and 10 also have, so 2 3s are 6, 2 5s are 10. So the simplest form is 3/5. So there should not be any common factor of numerator and denominator. Ninth one. The method in which we first find the value of 1 unit and then the value of required number of units is called dash. So you learn that when we have to find the some quantities, value of some quantities, first we find the value of 1 unit and then multiply that value by the number of quantities required. That method is known as unitary method. So it is known as unitary method. Last 10 blank. The ratio of rupees 100 to rupees 100 is blank. Now both have same numbers. So we divide 100 by 100, we get 1. Means the ratio is 1:1. So when we find the ratio of 100 rupees, 200 rupees, then 100 upon 100 is 1. So the answer is 1. Let's take some another blanks also. So 11. If A is 20 times B, then what is the ratio of B to A? Then the ratio of B to A is blank. Now we have to find B to A, means B upon A. Given that A is equal to 20 times means multiplication B. So we can write down 20B is equal to A. Or now what we have to do is that 20 should be, or we can bring B here. So A upon B is equal to 20 upon 1. But now we need reverse B upon A, because B to A. So if you take the reciprocal, B upon A is 1 upon 20. It means that B is to A is 1 is to 20. So the answer is 1 is to 20. Next, fifth part of 40 is blank. Fifth part means 1 upon 5. So 40 multiplied by 1 upon 5, this is 8. Very, very simple answer. 30. The ratio of 150 milliliter to 2 liter is blank. Here you can see that if you will do 250 is to 2, then it will be wrong, because here 250 is milliliter while 2 liter is liter. So one is milliliter, the other is liter. So liter must be converted first into milliliter, right? So the required ratio is equal to 250 milliliter to 2000 milliliter. So that is 250 upon 2000. So 5 5s are 25, or you can keep it 25 as it is, and 25 8s are. So 1 upon 8, so answer is 1:8. So first of all, the liters must be converted into milliliter. Then we have to find the required ratio. 14. The 14th is 60 upon 80 is written in the simplest form as blank. So now 60 upon 80. Zeros can be cancelled. 3 2s are 6. 4 2s are 8. 2 to cancel. So it can be written as 3/4. Next, if rupees 40 is divided between Ram and Shyam, in the ratio 5:3, then Shyam gets rupees blank. So now Ram is to Shyam. They will get the part 5:3. So your total parts is equal to 5 plus 3 is equal to 8. So now Shyam, therefore Shyam will get 3/8 part of rupees 40. That is 3/8 multiplied by 40. 8 5s are 40. So 3 5s are 15. So Shyam will get 15 rupees out of that 40 rupees. Next one. One is to blank is equal to 8:72. Now you can see that 1 and 72 are extreme terms. 72 ones are 72. Then how many 8s are 72? So 8 9s are. So 1:9 is equal to 8:72. We know that product of extreme terms is equal to product of the middle terms. Then the ratio of kilogram to 5 kilometer is, now here you can see that one is in kilogram, one is in kilometer. It means that it is not possible. So it is not possible. Eighteenth one. $12 ball pens cost rupees 60. So 5 ball pens will cost rupees blank. So here we have to find the cost of 5 ball pens. So now number of ball pens and cost. So 12 ball pens cost 60 rupees. So 5 ball pen cost how much? So we can take the ratio that 12 upon 60 is equal to 5 upon x. That is a direct method. So by cross multiplication, 12x 60 multiplied by 5. So x is equal to 60 multiplied by 5 divided by 12. 12 5s are 60. So answer is 5 5s are 25. So the answer is rupees 25. Or you can do by unitary method also. That first find the value of one ball pen by dividing 60 by 12. So rupees 5, and then 5 times 5, 25. You can do using the unitary method also here. So here we are going to finish the today's session. In the next session we will do examples which are based on this ratio and proportion. It will be followed in the PDF, and any confusion write down in the comment section. Thank you very much.